So most owner-operators worry about their repairs. How much is gonna cost me? That's the number one question. But that's not what's killing owner-operators out there and small fleets. It's downtime, and I'm gonna show you this in this video. Because right now, EGR valves, DPF systems, DEF issues, air compressors, these aren't quick same-day fixes anymore. You're waiting for a shop, waiting for parts, waiting to get back on the road. Now let's talk about labor rates for a second. Across North America, shops are charging anywhere between $150 to $250 per hour. If you don't believe me, listen to this.
Wondering, what are your hourly labor rates over there for the Volvos?
Yeah, 185.
185?
Yes.
Good. I was just wondering, what are your hourly labor rates over there?
200. I think. Let me get into the service counter. Give me just a moment.
What are your hourly shop rates there for labor rates?
Our labor rate is $250 an hour.
Sorry, 250?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Now these are actual calls that I've made to dealerships and repair facilities. So yeah, labor is expensive, but it's not the most expensive. If you think that's the worst part, you're still missing it, because the real cost is what's happening while your truck is sitting, and I'll show you the numbers in this video. Let me explain to you. Here are a couple of real examples. We're gonna take scenario number one. We have an owner-operator and his air compressor failure. This is realistic. Let's say your air compressor goes out. You're driving and suddenly your air pressure isn't building up properly. Warning lights come on like a Christmas tree. You can't risk moving that truck. Now you're either stuck on the road, or maybe if you're lucky, you've made it to a local dealership. Now here's what happens. Now the shop, their first availability to see you is between 2 to 3 days out. Now your truck is parked. You gotta go into a motel. Now you finally get into the shop. They diagnose it, the air compressor failure. They gotta get an air compressor. The part isn't available locally. Now you're waiting another 1 to 2 days for the part to come in. And the repair itself, it's only 6 to 8 hours, but they break it down over the course of 2 days. Now here are the actual numbers of what that repair bill costs you. The air compressor, whatever, only $1,500. The labor, 7 hours at $175 an hour, that's $1,200. Total repair is $2,500 to $3,000, depending on the labor rates. Now your total downtime, waiting for the shop, between 2 to 3 days, waiting for the part between 1 to 2 days, and the repair time, let's say they got lucky and they did it in 1 day. Total downtime that we're gonna use for this scenario is 6 days. Now here's what that breakdown actually costs you. Now we're gonna factor in your truck payment, your trailer payment, your insurance, and your plates. Let's break that down. Your overhead expenses is $195 for every day that your truck is down. Let me explain. $2,500 a month. You divide that by 30 days, that's $83 a day. Your trailer payment, $1,250. Divide that by 30 days, that's $42 a day. Your insurance, $1,750 a month. Divide that by 30 days, that's $58 a day. And your plates and permits, well, that's $350 a month, that's $12 a day. Add all that together, that's $195 per day for every day that that truck is standing and you're waiting around. 6 days times $195, that's $1,170. Now here's the big one, lost revenue. $1,200 a day at 6 days, that's $7,200. The real impact of that breakdown, the repair was $2,700. The fixed cost was $1,170. Lost revenue, $7,200. That total repair bill cost you approximately $11,000. Now that's example number one. Let's get into example number two, DPF issue. You're on the highway and your truck starts losing power. The forced regen just doesn't work and you are derated. You are lucky enough to get to the local repair facility. Now that repair facility tells you that the next available appointment is between 3 to 4 days. They book you in. You wait your 3 to 4 days. They run the diagnostics. The DPF is clogged and it needs cleaning or replacement. You're hoping you're gonna get away with cleaning it. Now you'll take the risk. You're gonna clean it. Cleaning the DPF is $1,500. Labor, they charge you between 6 to 8 hours at $175 an hour. Let's say best case scenario, $1,000, plus you paid another $1,500 to clean that DPF system. Total $2,500. Now the downtime, you waited 3 to 4 days for the shop. The diagnosis, plus another 2 to 3 days until you shipped it out, they cleaned it, they shipped it back, and now you're waiting a full day for them to install it. Now what it really cost you is this: 7 days from the time the truck got derated until the time you got your truck back. Your fixed cost at $195 a day, we already went through that, how we got to that $195. That's $1,365 fixed cost for the week. Plus you have lost revenue at $1,200 a day, that's $8,400. Now that $3,000 repair bill just cost you between $9,500 to $12,000. So you can see in both of my examples that the repair didn't kill you. The downtime and the lost revenue is what really hurts. A $2,000 repair can easily turn into a $10,000 problem. So the next time your truck goes down, don't just ask what's the hourly labor rates. Make sure you're asking when can you get my truck into that shop, because that right there is gonna save you a lot more than the $50 an hour that they wanna bill you extra for their hourly labor rates. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If you have any comments, I'd love to hear them. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I'm Ronan, and I'll catch you in my next video.